Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about new 2023 Kawasaki Z900 new design, fresh coat of paint coming soon. So make sure to watch the full video. Kawasaki is revising the Z900 family for 2023, and giving the popular 4-cylinder naked bikes new colors. Kawasaki's versatile Z900 family. If you want an eye-catching design with a powerful inline 4-cylinder, you will find it difficult to avoid the Kawasaki Z900 family. Whether with an A2 or large a driver's license, available for every type of driver in a 900 Kawa. The Z900 70 kilowatts is the entry-level model, which can be driven from the age of 18 with a throttled 48 horsepower, while with a full 95 horsepower it leaves nothing to be desired. The standard Z900 with its full 125 horsepower is a great all-rounder, the Z900 SE with Öhlins and Brembo components as the spearhead. The Z900 a solid mid-range bike. Regardless of the performance class, you can't go wrong with the Z900. Especially when you look at the price tag, you will see that you get a lot of motorcycle for your money. Along with the striking looks, you get LED lighting, KTRC traction control, and adjustable power and ride modes that work in glorious harmony with the inline 4. The entire editorial team is enthusiastic about the naked bike, as you can read in the numerous tests and comparison reports. New colors for 2023 for the naked bike. At the moment we would only be missing a quickshifter on the otherwise sporty Z900 models. Apart from that, the model series offers everything you would expect from such naked bikes in this price range. Kawasaki was probably of the same opinion, which is why only the colors will be revised for 2023. Z900 and Z970 kilowatts my 2023 colors. Metallic Spark Black, Metallic Graphite Gray, Metallic Flat Spark Black, BK1. Metallic Phantom Silver, Metallic Carbon Gray, SL1. Ebony, Metallic Matte Graphene Steel Gray, GY1. Kawasaki Z900 price and availability. Contrary to tradition, the first models of the Z900 in the 2023 colors SL1 and GY1 will be available from Kawasaki partners as early as next month, in limited quantities. The trio will be completed with the BK1 variant in the first quarter of 2023. The price in Austria is €11,299 for the colors SL1 and GY1, and €11,199 for the color BK1. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go. Thank you for watching.